box is so big. Lord, have mercy. Okay, guys, welcome back to the Crystalina Perspective. Oh my gosh, all I got to tell y'all is that on February 15th, it goes down. Okay, so I have a huge package here from Erin Condren. I'm going to attempt to try to show y'all. Like, my desk is not even big enough to show y'all how big this thing is. My address is like right there, so I gotta be careful. But y'all ready to see? Are y'all ready to see? Because I'm ready to see. Okay, let's go ahead and bust it open. I'm opening it from the side. As y'all can see, it's massive. So I'm going to try to put it on the desk. Give me a second. Okay, y'all. So I managed to get this on the desk. Whew, a lot of magic happening here. So we're going to go ahead and open this up. For those of you that may not know, I am a member of the EC or Erin Condren squad. So periodically, some of us get selected to receive new collections that will be hitting the shop. I will flash when this collection will hit. This is, I'm so honored to say this, the EttaVee second collaboration, second collection with Erin Condren. Y'all know the bold, bright, fun colors, the beautiful butterflies. Yeah, that was her. So we're going to peel this back because, ooh, let's see, y'all. OMG. Y'all, do y'all see this? Okay, is there a card in here? Y'all, yo. Okay, let me clear the desk off because we got to go through this. We got to give this collection the shine that it deserved. Be right back. Okay, guys, so I had to collect my marbles. I'm good now. I'm still excited, but look, I just had to get myself together. So first, before I start opening anything, I do want to say thank you so much to Samantha Kerr for selecting me as one of the EC squad members to receive this beautiful collection. I also want to say thank you so much to the Erin Condren company as family group. All of y'all, thank y'all so much for giving us this opportunity to present your products. Now, guys, last but not least, I have to thank EttaVee for coming back with another amazing, beautiful collection with Erin Condren. Y'all, let's get into these EttaVee vibes. Let's get into it. So the first thing that we have are these beautiful metallic, this beautiful metallic click pen duo. It looks like there is a silver and a gold. And there is. Do I have any? I do have some paper that I can kind of show y'all how this here works. So basically you just, you can click it right there, but we're going to do it's so smooth, y'all. So these pens are stupid cute and they just go perfectly with the collection. You just click them right there. They pop back up. There is a gold and a silver. So I absolutely love that. So freaking cute. The next thing that we have are these beautiful dual tip list markers duo. This is so needed. I think there are colors. I'm hoping that there are even more colors, like color expansion. That's what I'm trying to say. So for these right here, they are very, very simple to use. I like these a lot because sometimes you just don't be having time to make everything perfect. So basically, you just take this off and you go, bam, and look, it makes the beautiful asterisk that is one of Erin Condren's symbols. So you just hit bam, and that one makes a circle. So you can check it off or do whatever you may please. And then also on the other side, you get this little fine tip marker to mark things. Kind of puts me in the mind of the Paper Mate Flare. So 2 of those will be available in this collection. So we're going to keep it moving and grooving, y'all. Okay. So we have the Ultimate Planny Pack. Y'all know EC is known for these planny packs that are oh so cute. So first off, I am loving, so the last collection kind of gave me a few fall vibes, which was absolutely fine by me. But this collection is definitely giving me some brights, giving me a spring feel. I'm really, really loving that. Of course, you have your metallic band, so you can attach it to the cover of whatever planner you choose to attach it to, or notebook. So we're going to set that to the side. Of course, you guys, this artwork is so beautiful. Like, I will repurpose this and use this as a dashboard, because I do that type of stuff. I reuse everything. So you have a cute little pocket here for you to easily stick any sticky notes or whatever you want to stick in there. And then you open this up and you have pockets and stuff. And look at that. Look at that branding. I'm so excited. It's pink on the inside, and y'all know your girl over here loves her some pink. So these colors are so bold and vibrant. Like I said, they'll fit for any time of the year, but they're even more perfect because spring and summer is coming up. And so this collection is just going to fit right on in with your spring and summer collections that launch. You can easily match it to whatever. The next things that we got in this collection, of course, are some snap-ins. So these are snap-ins for the A5 size. Y'all know I love me a good A5 size anything. So on this one, we have priorities, to-do lists, and today's joy. If you've ever used any of these EC products, they are dry erasable. I actually like to use, I don't even have one, but they're kind of like the markers that you use on an overhead projector. I like to use those on these because they don't wipe off as easily, but if you just take some alcohol or something, you'll easily wipe them off. And then for this one, we have like a today's focus, a to-do list, and a today's joy and gratitude moment. And then it's tabbed. So these are super duper cute. They go right in line with the collection. And I like them a lot, like a whole lot. So you have the snap-in version for your coil. And then you have the 6 ring version for like those who have ring planners. I love that. I love the versatility. So that way it could be the best of both worlds. So the next thing coming in this collection is this beautiful sticky note booklet. Y'all know us planner people are all about a good sticky note. Her artwork is so beautiful. Let me just say that. It's so beautiful. So it matches. I love the fact that it matches our band here on our planny pack. I love that a lot. And then when you open it up, look at this. Y'all, look at the designs on the side. That is so beautiful and just makes you feel happy. And if you don't feel happy, I don't know what's going on. Just be you. I absolutely love that. So this is the sticky note booklet. This is really cute. This is something that you can stick right here in your planny pack if you need to. And of course, y'all already know I like to pack stuff up. So look at here. We can already start to pack it up. All you got to do, well, actually, I would prefer to put, so I have a little bit of room there. And then you can, of course, put your EC stickers in there. As y'all can see, I got my pens and everything. You zip this bad baby up and stick it onto your notebook. All right, guys. So 2 things that are entering the scene are these beautiful, I think these are notebooks. Yes, that's a notebook. And this is a notebook. 2 A5 notebooks are touching down on the scene. And what I love is the colors. The colors are everything. Look at this. And this notebook here, of course, it kind of reminds me of the Cornell style notes. You can write down what you like really need to hyper focus on, and then you could put some notes down, and it's different colors. Oh, y'all, I'm missing stuff. Wait a minute. And then, of course, as y'all know, one of the most amazing things about all Erin Condren products is the beautiful stickers in the back. You always get stickers to go, the sky's the limit with your creativity. So this design is Choose Happy. It's so beautiful. The florals are so bold. Like I said, this is so perfect for both spring and summer. And then this is what the back cover looks like. And as you guys know, any Erin Condren cover, you can get it personalized if you choose, but these covers, as you guys can see, are beautiful without you having to personalize them. This is a perfect notebook for, like, if you're just needing something quick and on the go. Boom, there you go. And then we have this beautiful just color wave, like brush strokes pattern here. The same, well, no, this is a different style of the notebook. So this is just the actual, this is the notebook I'm used to. I have a lot of the bigger ones in this size that I use for work and stuff. And then, of course, as y'all know, tons and tons of stickers in the back, which I love. And this is the neutral colorway, by the way. So I love that. You can jazz it up as much as you like or as less as you like. The sky is totally the limit. So these two new A5 notebooks will be hitting the shop soon, and they will be available in these colors. Also know that you can personalize them if you so choose. Now, y'all, something that like snucky up on me are these cute mini snap-in bookmarks. These bookmarks are so cute to section off your notebooks. I like to use them for my notebooks, but some people use them in their planners. It just kind of depends on what your personal preference is. These are so freaking cute. Like, so cute, and goes along with the rest of the collection really, really, really well. So I really, really like these. And then, guys, last but certainly not least, when I say this is what caused me to scream and act a fool at the beginning of this video, it's because of this. Y'all, there's a new planner hitting the shop, or hitting the store. Let me say store, not shop. Hitting the store. Rose gold coil. Y'all know rose gold is my color. This is the leather cover, okay? Very, very thick for those of you that haven't seen it on my channel. Loving the foil. Like, this is foil. This is so beautiful. Like, look at this, y'all. So what is this? Y'all, divine intervention. That's all I have to say. This is a whole monthly planner. Now, I have been wanting a monthly planner for work, simply because I'm switching jobs and I was going to purchase one, but look at here. Look here. So this is a monthly planner. Of course, y'all know I got to put my name there. And the beautiful Erin Condren symbols and signs that we all have grown to know and love. Of course, you get your like little monthlies that you can like look, put dots and stuff on if you so choose. I like to use these to list out goals for the month. So that's a way you could do that. And then here it is, y'all. So, of course, I probably won't use January. Not probably. I will not use January. But look at February, y'all. I don't even have to do much decor. I will be using this for work. I know that there was another planner I was looking at for work, but I can't really do a planner with a weekly vibe because that's too much, because I'm literally just working on certain days. I don't work 5 days a week. So a monthly planner like the Erin Condren monthly planner is perfect for me. And so you have your little dashboard here. And then, of course, you have all of these notes pages that you could literally do whatever you please. This is March. And I love how the months correspond with the tab, which makes it so amazing. And then, as y'all know, once we get to the back, we get the year, like the next year review, which I really like that a ton. You get stickers. Y'all know the stickers are everything. And then now this is something that I've really been loving about the Erin Condren planners. You get to customize your planner with whatever holidays that suit you best. They have the biggest holidays on there. So for all the peeps in my community, we have Black History Month begins, which is absolutely phenomenal. I'm also LGBT, so we have Pride Month here. Absolutely love that. And then if there is something that they missed, there are more little flags here for you to jot it down as you see fit. So this is the new planner. Of course you get the pocket, and then look at the y'all, I'm all for some good branding, but look at this planner. This is beautiful. So in this collection, we have a new planner, a monthly planner coming in the leather. This is the leather. So for those of you that may not know or may not have shopped Erin Condren in a minute, the leather covers you cannot change them, which is totally fine. That's why you have all your notebooks and stuff. So we have a new leather cover coming in this EttaVee collection. We also have not one, but two beautiful A5 notebooks that are also coming. We have 3 snap-in mini bookmarks that are also coming. We have a planny pack that is coming along with a sticky note booklet. And inside of that sticky note booklet, we have 2 metallic pens that are coming, as well as 2 markers that we can use for checklist or drawing or whatever you decide works best for you. We also have some beautiful snap-in dashboards in the A5 side. So we have a coil one for the people that love to use coil products, and for the 6-ring people. So I absolutely love that. This collection is stunning. I'm going to move it back in view. It's absolutely stunning. It's so beautiful. It is the EttaVee collection. It is so gorgeous. Thank you so much to Erin Condren for selecting me as one of the participants to receive this brand new collection. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to feel the product, to review it, to see what magic it has to offer. It's giving magic, and I hope to see some of you guys at Go Wild. Go pick up this collection before Go Wild so we can talk about it at Go Wild. I'm hoping to meet some of the EC squad members and many other people in the planner community. Y'all go check her out. Check out EttaVee. Go check her out. This collection is really dope. If I thought I loved the butterflies and things, y'all, this collection is giving what it needed to give. So y'all tell me what y'all think down in the comment section below. Join me weekly for brand new videos and content, and until our next video. Bye.